So here it is right here, and guess what? I'm going to grab my wieners. That's right, I got my wieners right here in my hand. You can get whatever brand you want, but a very simple cook where a pellet grill really elevates the flavor profile. So I'm just gonna put 3 wieners on the pellet grill here. If you really want to make them good, even better, what you can do, just gotta dump that wiener juice out. If you really want to make them extra good, what you can do is do a low and slow, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do these for 225. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna go that slow because I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna do them at 300. Get these wieners perfect temperature, and then I'm going to toast the buns, and it's just, you know, you're going to have the wood smoke flavor profile. Today I'm using a blend of wood. Subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all my pellet grill videos. But the blend I'm using today, I've linked within this video's description. It's a Bear Mountain, I think it's the chef's choice. It's hickory, I think maple, oak, and cherry maybe. Quality check me down below, but that's the wood pellet blend that I'm using to cook these otherwise simplistic hot dogs. So this is taking a very basic piece of meat, something quick and easy, and elevating it with the pellet grill. Well, what a pellet grill does, it adds a unique, very wood smoked flavor profile to the cook, and it's convenient. But let's go ahead and let these go for a minute, and we're gonna see, oh man, you're gonna see the finished product here in just a few minutes.
Hot dogs on the grill. Yeah, Chef IrixGuy on deck, apron tied up neat. Hot dogs line like soldiers on a steel kiss heat. Pellet grill glowing like a campfire oath. Oak smoke kissing every bun, that's the whole damn growth. He flips one wrist, got the crowd all leaning. Juice on the grate while the night keep breathing. Appalachian Ocean, weird but it fits. Waves in the holler and the mustard hits. Hear that sizzle talk, see that smoke rise slow. Buns get soft, dogs get bold. Chef got the whole block so hot dogs on the grill. Chef IrixGuy, that's skill. Appalachian Ocean chill. Hot dogs on the grill. Hot dogs on the grill. Yeah. He scores the dog. Let the casing pop. Pine on the wind and the package just stop. Relish green bright like a creek in spring. One bite hit hard, make the porch swing sing. He stacks up onions, he don't miss a step. Paper plate ready and the dog still.
IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.